Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SafetyWing Nomad Insurance. Review my global health and travel experience. SafetyWing Nomad Insurance. Review my global health and travel experience offers global health and travel insurance specifically designed for digital nomads, remote workers, and long-term travelers. It covers unexpected medical expenses, travel delays, lost checked luggage, and even some emergency dental work. Key features include flexible subscription options and coverage in most countries worldwide. Their website provides details on the different coverage plans and pricing tiers. They emphasize ease of use, claiming a straightforward sign-up process and easy online claims filing. SafetyWing highlights their transparent pricing with no hidden fees and the flexibility of a monthly subscription, unlike traditional travel insurance policies. They also promote their active online community as a unique benefit. You can check availability and get a quote directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SafetyWing Nomad Insurance. Getting started was incredibly easy. The online application was clear and concise, and I was able to get a quote and purchase my policy within minutes. The dashboard is intuitive and well-organized, making it simple to access policy details, download documents, and file a claim. I haven't had to make a major claim yet, thankfully, but I did have a minor issue with a delayed flight. Filing the claim online was straightforward, and I received reimbursement within a week. The whole process was impressively smooth. The standout feature for me is definitely the flexibility. Being able to pause and resume my coverage as needed, depending on my travel plans, is incredibly convenient. One minor drawback I noticed is that the mobile app, while functional, could use a bit more polish in terms of design and features. It took me a little while to figure out how to download my insurance card directly to my phone's wallet. I also had a quick question about coverage in a specific country, and while their support team responded within a day via email, a live chat option would be a helpful addition. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SafetyWing Nomad Insurance. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally meets my needs as a digital nomad. The peace of mind it offers, combined with its affordability and flexibility, makes it a valuable tool for anyone working or traveling abroad long-term. That's my overview of SafetyWing Nomad Insurance. Review my global health and travel experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.